Today we're making a homemade pizza sauce that's rich, flavorful, and so easy you'll never go back to store-bought again. Here are the ingredients you will need. 6 ounces tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons basil, 2 teaspoons oregano. Mix everything thoroughly. And between 1/2 to 3/4 cup water, using enough water for the desired consistency. Mix everything together. And that's it. Quick, fresh, and packed with flavor. Try it on your next pizza night and let me know in the comments how you liked it. See you next time.